With the temps getting warmer, you don't want to catch yourself inside a vehicle with no air conditioner. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to recharge your AC system. Now, this is not a hard project, but if you can, you always want to go to a mechanic. But should you choose to take on this project on your own, then there's a few things you have to know in order to be safe. Let's get started. All right, the two vehicles we're going to be working on today is my 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is my farm Jeep, and my 2011 Chevy 1500, which is my everyday driver. Now, before you get started, the first thing you have to do is obviously open your hood. Go ahead and turn your car off. Now we're going to find the low pressure AC service port. Now if you don't know where that is, you need to check your manual or you need to look online for that answer because this is very important. You want to stay away from the high pressure side of your air conditioning system. Once you found that low pressure port, we're going to go ahead and turn the AC on with the blower all the way up and the temperature all the way down. You want to make sure that the AC button is pressed as well as the recirculation button inside your vehicle. Now once you have the AC system on, we're going to go ahead and hook up your recharge kit to that low pressure valve. All of these are a little bit different, but for the most part, you're going to pull up and push it on. Once you hook it up, it's going to show you on your gauge whether you have a low amount of refrigerant, whether it's filled to normal, whether it's high, or whether something else is wrong. It's important during this process that you want to keep your canister at 12 o'clock, meaning upright, and you do want to go ahead and shake it before use. You can also shake it during use as well. A lot of different cans will tell you to do different things, so you want to make sure you follow the instructions on the recharge kit. Now a little tip for you that a lot of people sometimes overlook and get super frustrated with because we're not good at reading directions, is between your gauge and hose and your canister, there's actually a little spacer there, and that stops any refrigerant from coming out. So the first thing you have to do before using this canister is you have to go ahead and unhook it from your gauge and take this spacer out. This is not gonna hurt you, nothing's gonna spray out or anything like that. Once you get it back, put it back together, and this canister is ready to use. Whenever you have it all filled up, you just wanna disconnect, make sure you put the cap back over your low pressure port, and then go ahead and enjoy your AC. All right guys, there you go. Now you got cold air coming from your AC system. Hey listen, if you have any problems at all or any issues, make sure you take it to a mechanic. This can be very dangerous. Guys, I want to know what other maintenance you're doing to your vehicles once that summertime heat hits. Let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you head to Raider Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. I'm Luke Williams. It's time to go to the farm.